Everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Whew, it's hot. 73 outside right now. Sweating like a pig because I just finished mowing this acre with that by hand. It was full of fiddleneck, which is, it used to all look like that. You see all that yellow? That's all fiddleneck. But this is all I got right now. So I was using the push mower so I wouldn't have to use gas, but it was missing things. The fiddleneck was too small or tall, so it would just wind up in there and then pop out the back and be fine. But this mower, it only took 2.5 tanks of gas, and this is over an acre that it did. Now that's what I call mowing a front lawn. Yeah, anybody got a rider mower they don't want, we'll happily come pick up. So we got Fort Knox going on here now. I put a bunch of these crates up, or pallets. They put solar panels on those, just temporarily till I can get some wire fencing to keep the cows out. Because the cows, my weed whacker kept breaking in and weed whacking for me, but he likes to weed whack a lot of the wrong stuff. So, oh, here you go, my one and only, right here. Anybody know what that is? I do. This is a super bloom California poppy. So, more to update, tons to update, lots to update. Rudy got a boyfriend. I think I already told you all that. When I dropped him in there, she beat the tar out of him. It's pretty funny. But now they're best friends. So the garden still looks very, very messy. I haven't got a lot done. I've been concentrating on killing this fiddleneck wherever I can find it. And I've been working almost 6 days a week off out in the down below. Well, got plenty of lettuce to harvest. I think these are butterheads. Lots of broccoli. This bed here is planted with okra, because my okra sales did really well last year. People love the pickled okra. Looks like something's been eaten on that one. These ones headed early. This is early purple, and should have done better than that if you ask me, because I got some over there that are just going insane. Lots of spinach that got damaged in the winter. This whole bed, amazingly enough, is corn. And look, corn's coming up. Yeah, first try this season anyways. Last season, I know a bunch of you know that I was fighting rats digging up my seed. I had to replant like 3 times. So that was crazy. Some garlic chives, so good. Forgive me if I'm taking a long time walking around, but the flip-flops are out, and so are the shorts, because I'm hot. And you get really hot when you mow an acre by hand. I really wish I had one of those step apps. I bet you I don't even know how many steps that is. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But here's a good purple broccoli. It's all ready to be harvested right there. Broccolini. More broccolini. Look at all the broccolini. I got a whole bag in the freezer already. Broccolini. Regular broccoli starting to go to flower, so I'll probably pull those, give it to the chickens soon. Man, I gotta get in here and harvest. Look at that. More purple broccoli. Something was munching on my cabbage. See that? But I think the cats got it, whatever it was. More broccoli. Garlic's looking okay, a little beat up from the winter. More broccoli here. We got a bunch of big leeks that overwintered coming in. This bed had green beans in. I tried to get going in the winter, but they never came up. Look at all the weeds I gotta weed. I might just rototill that too, like I did over there. Still gotta pull a lot of weeds after you rototill it, but it's a lot easier. This bed here has got bunching onions in it, but they haven't come up yet. Hopefully they come up. This is all experiment. This is like a wood chip base with topsoil on top. See if it comes up. So I think there's some bok choy, and there's some on the other side of this fence. There's cucumbers on the other side. There's peas on this side that I need to weed because there's weeds all in the peas there, but they're growing. So that's what's going on in the garden. Got a lot of peas over here too. In here, see them all? The Swiss chard is gonna bolt. That overwintered, but it's gonna bolt now. Doesn't look like the grapevine made it. There's no leaves or anything new coming out. I gotta get the weeds out of here, but that tree made it. See the new leaves? How the heck did that get twisted around like that? Wind. And I'm not sure about this one yet. Oh yeah, way down at the bottom there's new leaves. That's these are fruiting mulberries, so they will put off fruit. Potatoes are coming up already. I got potatoes in that. I got potatoes in that, but I'm still way behind. Gator, what are you doing? I got mad at him the other day, so I didn't feed him. I told him to go kill something. Next morning, he put a beheaded rabbit at my feet. So, and then he took off with it later, and I assume he's not hungry anymore. Gator kitty. But this is the most monumental thing here. Remember the pipeline? It goes through there, over to here, and then underground, up to this big giant tank here. This is the Monumental. This is huge. Look at that. It's working. It's so awesome. No more hauling water. Just turn it on for a while. Let it fill up. And sooner or later, this fill line here will go and fill that tank too. So we'll be set for water for a while. I'm letting it fill up right now. because I like the sound of water. I was low, and I need to get the cowboy shower going outside. But that's most of the update. That's the most monumental thing. Water is life, so that's huge. The little shed, 10 by 10 shed, I put the front wall in. It's gonna have a 4-foot wide door, so that's almost done. I gotta get the roof rafters. I gotta put the money together to get that. And then all the tools in here will move into there, and then this will become a greenhouse. Pull the floor out and everything, and yep, look, Gator isn't hungry anymore. He didn't need his food. So yeah, this is 10 by 20, so that's a pretty good sized greenhouse, and hopefully the wind doesn't take it out. Got some good plastic over there. We'll see. Got plywood. Haven't done a whole lot. This was gonna be, I was thinking about doing the old house here in earth bags, but I'm not sure, because I could frame this up so much faster than doing these earth bags. I mean, this is a lot of work. I did start building this because I was going to put a room off of here over to here and just have an extra room to put some of this stuff in, and then build an outdoor kitchen again because the outdoor kitchen blew over. But I started building this to block the wind. See how it's blocking over there? And I got the ramp because I got blind dog, and it was gonna go about that far. But that's most of what's been going on. Junior, are you blind? Yeah, you're blind as bad, aren't you? Good boy. But other than that, everything's going pretty good. Working too much, not getting enough time to fix this garden, but hopefully I will get most of it done this weekend and get more plants in the ground, because that's the key right there. Grow your own food. All right, everybody. Thanks for visiting. Adios and God bless.